like I said earlier, is the way we set up these kind of like a virtual light stack, and we've got different levels or groups of the organization focusing on a different level of the scoreboard. It's influencing how maintenance prioritizes their work. It's influencing how um, we make decisions on what line to move to if we're short people or if we have extra people. Um, it also is really, really beneficial when we're doing our capital planning and we're deciding where we're going to invest the extra dollars that we have for growth. We can say, well, what's been the biggest hindrance to us? What's been our biggest downtime? And what can we, can we spend money to address that? And it makes the information very easy to go get and then put into an ROI to say, you know, over this year, this cost us 75 line hours, and that costs X number of dollars, and we can pay for this machine in a year and a half. So let's go get it.